Alright, I've got a deal for somebody that does stereos. I've got a truck I just bought that's got this system in it. It's got this Kenwood head unit, Clarion equalizer, and I'll put all the serial numbers to everything that I can find down in the below. I've got a level controller. I've got this set of tweeters. I've got this KLH, I guess, speaker. Other side of those little tweeters over there. Up front, we got this monstrous wiring cable. Over here, I've got this Planet Audio Anarchy amp. Those little speakers, I have no idea what those mean. SKAR audio, and another set of those little ones. There are 2 of these Audiopipe amps. A bridge, I guess you call that. There's these little speakers here, little kicker. I'm not a stereo guy, so I'm going to be looking up prices on all this when I get in. There are 12 of these Audiopipe speakers, and I'm guessing they're all the same. I don't know. Again, I got to look some stuff up. There's the other kicker. There are 2 car batteries down here wired to all this. Little air gap there with a brace in the middle of it. And I'll turn it up, but my phone mutes the audio because it doesn't like all the bass this thing produces, and I'm not going to close it up to run it. But let's see if there's something playing on the stereo here. And that's just barely turned up, but I'm not a headbanger, so smoking in the boys' room is the best you're going to get out of me. But it's Uncle Willie, and if somebody wants it, they can have the whole system for $2,000. You got to take it out though, and I don't want my truck destroyed while you're taking it out, so I will be supervising it. But I've got a bad back and I can't bend over and mess with all this. Might do some trades if you've got a Tahoe with a gray interior. It'll have to be a partial trade, but there again, yeah, it'll be a trade. My 6-year-old thinks the stereo's awesome in here. But give me a call, text, voicemail, smoke signal, whatever, and we'll get together and you can check it out and see what you want to do. This is Uncle Willie, and I've worked all day and I'm going back in the house. Bye.